Today we're going to be tinting this Tesla Model 3 performance package with Llumar Formula 1 window tint.
So I just finished tinting this Tesla Model 3 in the driver window, and I just want to brag for a second and show you guys my edge. There you go. There you go. That's how we do it.
So this Model 3 is also getting the full back glass done in one piece. This is Formula 1. We're using Stratus here. We're gonna do the whole back glass like that. There's no seam in the middle. Brianna's going hard at work doing all the side windows. I did the windshield, and now I'm moving on to kind of like the most complex part of this whole install is this big back glass. You do need a 60-inch roll to get this all done in one piece. So it's quite the workout. All right guys, so we did 5% pinnacle all around on all the windows. This is very dark, a lot of privacy. It goes really nice with this black and blue theme that we got going on with the new Tesla Model 3. We also did 15% Stratus on the full back glass. This was quite the struggle to put it on, but we've done quite a few, so I feel pretty confident doing these now. We did 70% Stratus here on the full sunroof. This is a big sunroof. And to top it off, we did the best top of the line 50% pinnacle here on the front windshield. So there's a lot of privacy going on with this blue and black Tesla Model 3, performance Model 3.
It was really fun tinting this car. I've done many Tesla Model 3s, and it's always a joy doing them. So it was a cool experience to do one of the newer ones. Thanks for watching.
Josue here from High in Detail signing out. If you're looking to have your Tesla Model 3 or any Tesla window tint, don't forget to look us up on our social medias, Instagram. We have our YouTube channel, of course, and our website. And you can easily find us on Google Maps. Check out all the reviews, and we look forward in servicing your Tesla. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next video.